So the project we're working on today is removing this sidewalk here. I had a company that had sent out some metal edging. I found them on Instagram. I had seen somebody else who used them. Oh my gosh, that stuff looks so easy to install, but it also looks so nice. It looks better than brick edging that we currently use. We're going to lift the concrete up and then we're going to install the metal edging. The edge right ceiling, left a couple pieces out to see how quickly they rust. Kind of like the aesthetic that we go for, and they rust really quickly. Let me show you guys that. Just been sitting under the gazebo, the rust that has happened on them already. This has not been exposed and this was exposed. So these pieces get hammered into the ground. They sent me out a little hammer and the board. So this goes into the ground, hammered in. These little clips and they slide. It makes the pieces all seamed together. Okay, that is going to be a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. This took me 5 minutes, 6 minutes to do 2 panels. So it takes like 2.5 minutes to do one board. It's super easy. This stuff is great. It pounds right into the ground, and those connections are really easy. I thought I was gonna have to like pry them open a little bit, but I actually just like hit them on one side and hit one side on the other, and then it just like slid into it. So it was super easy. They've got the stuff designed absolutely beautifully. Finished this side and it looks so good. This is what it looks like all done. It's a little bit of a gap right there, but I need to remove all of these bricks first. Look at my tulips. It's just crazy to me to have like a nice wide walkway now. It just kind of like leads you back there. Next step for back here is